How's it going, everybody? I'm Jason with the Review Suite. So, bonus video this week because the LattePanda 3 Delta has finally arrived. And real quick, I just wanted to get the unboxing out of the way so you guys can have a quick look at it. And stay tuned for more because I will be dropping more videos in the coming days, so be subscribed so you don't miss it. But with that out of the way, let's get this thing unboxed because I am so excited to see it in the flesh. Just rip into this thing. Oh. Okay. All right. LattePanda 3 Delta. Retail packaging. Windows, Linux. Whatever you want. Set that aside real quick. Titan case. That's right. You do get the Titan case if you are one of the backers, so we'll get into that in just a moment. A flash drive. Yeah, LattePanda USB 3.0 flash drive, 64 gigabytes. Okay, that was a gift, I suppose. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Whoa! Well, this is the other gift. A cap. I dig it. And actually, I'm gonna start with this USB drive real quick. Wait a minute. Is this thing in the shape of a panda? Yeah, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this LattePanda USB drive. That is so adorable. All right, Titan case. This is a new Titan case because the LattePanda 3 Delta is slightly bigger than the original Delta. Okay, it's the black Titan case. That's cool. I was hoping to get the white one. Maybe they'll sell the white one separate, but it's kind of hard to see from this angle, but you got all your cutouts, power, Type-C, audio jack, Ethernet, HDMI, power button, 3 USB ports, and access to the GPIO on either side. Finally, the star of the show, the LattePanda 3 Delta. Let's get into this thing. Move that sleeve aside. Let's get this hat out of here. Oh, look at it. Finally. Very exciting. All right. USB power adapter. North America plug. I think this one's for Europe. Yeah, I believe so. And finally, standoffs. And that's everything in the box. All right, let's open this up really quickly. Oh, so nice. Oh, okay. So we got more stuff in the bottom here. Antenna, user manual, and stickers, gold and black stickers, very nice. And there is the LattePanda 3 Delta. Tiny, man. Oh my goodness, where's my phone? It's slightly smaller than my iPhone 13, and I have the regular iPhone 13. This is crazy. There's your unboxing of the LattePanda 3 Delta. Stay tuned for more videos because, like I said, I'll have a bunch coming soon in the near future. Thank you, LattePanda, for getting these out, and I will see you guys in the next video.